Welcome back to the channel. Today's recipe is all about turning leftover taco filling into something exciting. These cowboy sliders are made using leftover taco meat, bacon from the fridge, and soft Hawaiian rolls, proof that a simple remix can feel like a brand new meal. For this recipe, you are going to need 1 12-pack of Hawaiian sweet rolls and 2 cups of leftover taco meat, specifically a ground beef and bean mixture. You'll also need about a half cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, 4 to 6 strips of pre-cooked bacon, 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese, and a handful of sliced jalapenos. For the finish, have 3 tablespoons of melted butter and a half teaspoon of garlic powder ready for your paste. Before we assemble, let's talk about the bread. This mouth-watering tale began in the 1950s in Hilo, Hawaii, where Robert Taira, the son of Japanese immigrants, opened Robert's Bakery. He graduated at the top of his baking class and created those first soft, round loaves of original Hawaiian sweet bread. Locals say the bread was so good it rarely even made it home before being devoured. Today, that signature sweetness is the perfect offset for savory, salty fillings. In our house, these are a rare treat amid the whole wheat bread lectures of my husband, but when they appear, everyone wins. The base of this recipe starts with your already cooked taco filling. Warm that beef and bean mixture in a skillet over medium heat and stir in your barbecue sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the smoky and savory flavors to blend together. While the filling simmers, slice your Hawaiian rolls in half horizontally, keeping them connected as one sheet. Place the bottom half onto a lined baking tray and get ready to build. Following my specific layering technique, we start with the bread, then spread the warm taco filling directly onto the rolls. Since we're using leftover bacon, there's no extra cooking required. Just layer those pieces right on top of the meat. Next, add a generous blanket of your shredded cheese and finish the stock with sliced jalapenos for a nice kick. Place the top half of the rolls back on and brush them generously with your butter garlic base. This adds a savory aromatic crust that takes the sweet rolls to the next level. Cover the slides loosely with foil and bake at 350 degrees until the cheese is melted and everything is heated through. Removing the foil near the end allows the tops to turn lightly golden and crisp around the edges. Once out of the oven, let them rest briefly so the cheese sets before you pull them apart. That is how you turn a container of leftovers into a crowd-pleasing tray of Cowboy Sliders. It's quick, budget-friendly, and a total win for a zero-waste kitchen without sacrificing any flavor. If you try this or mix at home, let me know in the comments how you customize your layers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy kitchen transformations. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.